こんにちは, it's Nami from Just One Cookbook, back with another video for you, and today I'm going to share 4 easy ways to make soy sauce pickles. For most Japanese meals, there are rice, miso soup, and a small plate of pickles to go with the main dish, and many families make their own pickles at home.For this recipe, I use Kikkoman's gluten-free tamari soy sauce to make it gluten-free. I make the same base sauce for pickling and then use 4 different seasonings and vegetables. My family loves all 4 flavors and I couldn't pick one, so have fun making these 4 different kinds. Let me know which one you want to try first in the comment below, and now let's get started. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if you love Japanese food, please follow along on Instagram and Facebook at Just One Cookbook. Since you guys are all watching till the end of this video, here's the Japanese word of the day. Shoyu. It means soy sauce in Japanese. Next time you are in the Japanese restaurant and want soy sauce, you can say shoyu kudasai. Shoyu. Have fun using it. Subscribe if you haven't already and make sure to click the bell icon. See you next time with a brand new video here on my YouTube channel. またね!